Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2003 Honda VTX1800S with the spoke wheels. Gorgeous classic style cruiser, long skirted fenders, amazing metallic orange paint scheme. It's got the Honda Touring windscreen, road lights, engine guard, floorboards, passenger backrest, luggage rack. We even have some side cases for this bike. Fuel injected, beautiful condition. Mileage is only 16,547. Brand new tires, shaft drive, fuel injected. It's got twin upside down forks, twin disc brakes in the front. You're not gonna believe the price, only $44.90. This bike is priced to sell quick. Come by, check it out. Don't let this one get away. You've been waiting for it. 1800 big bore cruiser. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.